Arithmetic operators in Python. Arithmetic operators allow us to perform mathematical computations. These operators are symbols that represent different operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's explore how each of these operators work in Python. First is the add operator, represented by the plus symbol. This operator adds two numbers together. In this code, we have two variables, num1 and num2, which hold the values 5 and 3 respectively. We use the plus operator to add these two numbers together and store the result in result. Next, we have the subtraction operator, denoted by the minus symbol. It subtracts one number from another. Here, we subtract num2 from num1. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Moving on, we have the multiplication operator, represented by the star symbol. This operator multiplies two numbers together. In this code, 6 is multiplied by 7, which is 42. To divide, we use the / symbol. Here, 20 divided by 5 gives us 4. Note the output is a floating point number. Python outputs a float when dividing integers because the result of dividing whole numbers is often not a whole number. Besides these basic operators, we also have the floor division operator represented by two slashes, which returns the quotient of a division, and the modulo operator represented by the %sign, which returns the remainder of a division. Lastly, we have the exponent operator represented by **, which raises a number to a power. In this code, 2 is raised to the power of 3, giving us 8. Get comfortable with these operators so you can perform a wide range of mathematical computations in Python.